reflection of geometric shapes without graphing. We are going to find the vertices of a reflected figure using the reflection rule. A figure has vertices u1 -4, v21, w41, and x5 -1. What are the coordinates of each vertex if the figure is reflected across x-axis? So to reflect across x-axis, the rule is given the p-image xy, the image will be x -y. The sign of y will change. So we have u 1 -4, u prime will be 1, 4. Then we have v 2, 1, v prime is 2, -1. We have w41, w prime will be 4, -1. We have x 5, -1, x prime will be 5, 1. The sign of y changes. If you have vertices j1 -3, I1 -1, H4 -3, and G5 -5. What are the coordinates of each vertex if figure is reflected across y-axis? The rule for reflection across the y-axis is we have x, y. This time the x becomes negative, y remains the same. The sign of x will change. We have j is 1 -3, j prime will be -1 -3. And we have I is 1 -1, I prime will be -1 -1. H is 4 -3, H prime is -4. -4, -3. G is 5 -5. G prime is -5 -5. If it has vertices J1 -3, K3 -2, and L3 -4, what are the coordinates of each vertex if the figure is reflected across y equals x? So reflection of y equals x, you have x, y as pre-image coordinate. It will change to the x and y will switch. X and y will switch. So you have j is 1 -3, j prime x and y will switch. We have -3, 1. Then we have k is 3 -2, k prime will be -2, 3. L is 3 reflection across y equals x line, the x and y coordinates switch. If figure has vertices B3, -3, C4, 2, and D5, -3, what are the coordinates of each vertex if the figure is reflected across y equals -x? So the rule is for reflection y equals -x, we have xy switch to -y, -x. Now you have D is 3, -3, D prime will be 3, -3. Then we have C is 4 and 2. C prime is -2, -4. Then we have D 5, -3. D prime is 3, -5. X and Y switch and the sign changes.